Okay, day 3, and we're going to go over operational amplifiers essentially. And what we've done up until now is amplify using bipolar junction transistors. Now, if you recall, bipolar junction transistors function on the basis of voltages. So you get good amplification in voltages, and depending on which configuration you place into your circuit. Now, most of the time, the most important one, as you might know, is the common emitter. Common emitter amplifies both current and voltage, so that it basically amplifies power, which is what you really want to get when you get a good sound out of your amplifier circuit. Okay. Okay, but there is another way. All right. So instead of using the bipolar junction transistors, and basically circuits that use bipolar junction transistors for amplification are usually called discrete component circuits. Okay, the discretes are the bipolar junction transistors. Now you could do similar if you use a field effect transistor, but the best way to do that is to actually create a chip. Okay, create a chip, and that is what your operational amplifiers do. The operational amplifiers are chips, microchips that utilize mainly field effect transistors. So, and if you recall, field effect transistors really amplify currents. I mean, they work on currents and so forth. So it's easy to amplify a current and convert it to a voltage by passing it through a resistance value. Okay, so this part of the class today is going to be on utilizing the amplifier circuits, actual amplifiers, operational amplifiers. And these operational amplifiers are basically mathematical type chips. They like to sum, they like to integrate, they like to divide, they do all sorts of nice things, but mainly used whenever you have to take a power, okay, and match it to the application, such as a sensor or something else. In other words, you want that sensor or that something else to operate at a specific voltage interval, and so you use an operational amplifier to do that. Or if you got a number of signals and you want to find out what the sum of all of the signals are, you use a summing amp. Okay, so you'll learn about all of that today in the operational amplifier day 3.